Alphabets with animals. A for ant. B for bear. C for camel. D for doe. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for hog. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for koala. L for lion. M for mouse. N for narwhal. O for otter. P for panda. Q for quail. R for rhinoceros. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for uakari monkey. V for volcano rabbit. W for whale. X for X-ray tetrafish. Y for yellow-bellied weasel. Z for zebra.
Hi! If you're having fun, give us a thumbs up, share with friends, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for joining our adventures.
KidZ Planet 10